At Seaspan, we know that when you build ships, you build more than ships. And since the beginning of the National Shipbuilding Strategy, we've also built economic prosperity from coast to coast to coast. From 2012 to 2022, Seaspan's NSS-related shipbuilding and ship repair, refit, and maintenance activities have made a remarkable impact, contributing an astounding $5.7 billion to Canada's GDP, sustaining and creating more than 7,300 jobs every year, and injecting $1.4 billion into government revenues across the country. In beautiful British Columbia, Seaspan's impact was equally significant, contributing more than $4 billion to the province's GDP, creating and sustaining more than 5,700 jobs annually, and contributing $499 million to government revenues. Our impact stretches across Canada. Seaspan is delivering value to Canadians by creating jobs and helping to restart an industry integral to Canada's security and sovereignty. Seaspan's NSS-related supply chain now boasts more than 700 Canadian suppliers, with more than half being small and medium-sized Canadian businesses. And as we look to the future, Seaspan's journey continues. From 2023 to 2035, our shipbuilding activities, together with ship repair, refit, and maintenance, are set to amplify our impact, contributing an impressive $20.7 billion to Canada's GDP, sustaining and creating just under 11,000 jobs annually, and boosting government revenues by $5.9 billion. And here at home, that means a contribution of $15.6 billion to our province's GDP, over 8,300 annual jobs, and more than $2 billion in government revenue. Seaspan Shipyards, building a brighter future for Canada today and tomorrow.